Hi everyone, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just an update on some stuff that's going on right now. Everything has been great, and I hope all of you enjoyed my most recent premiere that premiered in the last video. If you have not yet took a look at it, please go back and take a look. There's a lot of good stuff in it. Um, some stuff from 2022 and 2023. So I've been kind of combining the last several months of footage into several different volumes that will be an ongoing series for the time being. Uh, Lots of other stuff has been working on with HO and N-Scale. I do have an HO project, which all of you know is that F40. And also with N-Scale, I have actually got a pretty cool announcement to make. I have built an N-Scale layout. I've actually been working on a behind the scenes video on how I was able to build it, but you guys will see the layout in action in some upcoming N-Scale productions. So there's a lot of good stuff up with right now, and I also been looking at trying to make it look nice and everything with some buildings, and also maybe some other buildings, and maybe even something else kind of cool. So it's a lot of it's some detail work at this point that will be being worked on, but everything is looking pretty good right now as far as um, the operational standpoint of it. It is running. I have done testing with it, and all is great. And the good thing is, uh, I'm actually able to take it wherever I would like to go. The track is actually not glued on this. I'll tell you all a little bit about it. The track is not glued in case I need to change a piece of track or change a bridge out, things like that. So I decided not to do that, not to glue the track down. But the good thing is, uh, it is in operation, so this is great. So that's enough. That's plenty on that. And I do have some other stuff that I'm working on as well. The March Q&A responses are up. Actually, are up on the server, but they will not be released until tomorrow morning. And also the Q&A prompt for April. Your last day to submit any questions is tomorrow. If you have not yet submitted your questions for the Q&A for April, you have one more day, and that is tomorrow. The rest of tonight and tomorrow. So you do have a little bit of time left in case you did not ask questions. It's some videos behind, but definitely take a look at it in case you have not yet submitted your questions for it. You still have some time. A lot of stuff coming up for May. Lots more stuff going to be coming out here real soon, and lots more Model Railroad stuff going to be coming out too. Live streams will hopefully be starting back up in May. Um, I had to take a 2 month absence away from that because of a lot of circumstances that were uh, beyond my control. I had to step away from that for a while, so I do apologize. So this month will be Model Railroad Mondays, and June will be 21st Century Railfan Fun. I might make a double feature for May since I was supposed to do 21st Century Railfan Fun last month. That has yet to be decided, but I would definitely put up um, a reminder on that when that comes. So check out my latest video. It's the video that's before this one. It's transitioning from 2022 to 2023 along Tidewater Rails Volume 1. It's a really good jam-packed action with lots of good stuff in it, lots of good horns, and lots of good concepts. So please give that a look. So that's all I have. As always, guys, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell for all the latest updates as things are getting ready to get hot once again, and with all sorts of projects going on right now. So stay tuned for more live streams in the future. I've been working to expand that a little bit more, so this is going to be really great. So hope you guys enjoyed this update video. It's great to see all of you, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. May God bless, and I'll see you guys down the main.